This video is sponsored by KEH Camera. So Fujifilm dropped the XS20 just a little bit ago, and originally I thought I wasn't going to pick it up, but then thinking about what I do on my day-to-day basis, this camera made the absolute most sense for me. So let me share with you all why I bought this camera, and maybe give you ideas why you might want to buy it yourself. So the first reason I bought the XS20 was for content creation. Now, clearly I have a very high-bid job now. Not only am I a wedding photographer, but I'm also a YouTube content creator. And this means I have a lot of different things I need to do day in and day out. And while I use Fujifilm cameras for all of it, the XS20 basically fits everything I could ever need. The photo quality is absolutely amazing. I've only gotten to shoot a little bit with it, but I'll link right up above a photo shoot I've done with the XS20. And this thing is just, it looks great. In such a small form factor, it's actually extremely awesome. And I know recently I was talking about how the X-T30 was my absolute favorite day-to-day carry, but I am replacing it with the XS20. Now, I really didn't want to do it, but again, it makes the most sense in my current situation. To give you a little bit of context, I have two cameras that are basically sitting around doing nothing. And that's the X-T30, because I only use it when I go out with my family, and my old X-T3, which I pretty much only use as a webcam. Now, I can get everything I need out of the XS20 that I'm getting from the X-T30 and the X-T3. I can use it as a webcam, and the face detection and autofocus is way better, and it's small enough, it's basically almost the same size as the X-T30, just with a better grip, so I can also use it as my day-to-day. Now, to keep going on with content creation as well, the video specs on the XS20 are absolutely amazing. The first one that totally surprised me is I didn't realize it shot in open gate. Basically, the XS20 is a baby XH2S. So you're getting that 6K open gate, which is what I'm recording this in. So not only can I punch in and just have more room, but like, it just looks good. I had no idea the XS20 was doing that, because whenever I was looking into the specs, it just said it did 6K, but nothing talked about open gate. So that's super awesome. On top of that, it has the flip screen, so it makes it easy for me to vlog and things as well, which is something I'm trying to do a little bit more of. So I'm thinking for my day-to-day going out and doing a shoot real quick, the XS20 might be what I bring with me. And then when I'm trying to do a little bit more serious video work, that's where my XH2S is going to come in hand. Pretty much for now, my XH2S is going to live on my tripod here in the office, and then whenever I'm going out and actually making videos myself. The second reason I bought the XS20 is for a backup camera. Now, it's always great to have another backup camera and or a camera that you can switch out to. Something I'm really thinking about is starting to actually shoot with the GFX 100S more often at weddings, and then using something like an XS20 for reception time. That way, once I get to open dance floor and just easy dancing, I can drop my GFX system and just have a nice light XS20 to finish off the night with. And really, that's going to be like one of the best setups, like hands down. I can't get over the size of the XS20. Again, it's on that same size as the X-T30 with a bit of a grip. If y'all think I should switch to mainly shooting with the GFX system for wedding days and then having the X-T20 as a backup or just for reception, let me know in the comments below, or if you would do that yourself. Now, one thing that really did help me upgrade to the XS20 was being able to sell my old gear, which you can do with this video sponsor, KEH Camera. If you're looking for used or new to you gear, KEH Camera is going to be one of the best places to get it. They've been in the business for years, and they treat all of their used gear with so much care. Not only can you save money by buying used gear, but the quality of KEH Camera's used gear is top notch. I've purchased a couple things myself from them, and I've always been highly surprised at how nice all the stuff is. On top of that, when you're buying a product, you can also see how they grade it. So if you don't mind a little scuffing up of your used gear, you can buy something for even cheaper, because they're not going to charge you when it looks like old used gear. And on top of buying used gear, you can also sell your gear to get something else new. This is generally what I do. I sold my old 56 a while ago to get some other gear, and it's a great, easy process. Jump online with one of their specialists, they'll check out your gear and tell you what they can pay you for it, then you ship it out to them and get your payment. So again, if you're looking to upgrade or doing something like I am, definitely check out KEH Camera and check out the link in the description below for a 5% bonus on buying or selling your gear. So the third reason I upgraded to the XS20 is actually the battery. And not even for anything like the battery life or the fact that it is better, but because it's the main battery I have now, and my XT3 and XT30 got super annoying with the old battery. Pretty much at this point, I'm using all cameras that have the new battery in it. My XH2S, the two XT5s I have, the GFX 100S, and now the XS20. So by having the same battery, it makes it so much easier for me because I just have a whole bunch of these batteries now because I need backups on wedding days. And I have my one little dual charger and I can just charge all of them, make sure I have batteries charged, and just swap out whenever I want to. Whereas before, with my XT30, if it was like, oh, cool, let's go out with the family, I'd have to be like, oh, wait, I haven't charged this one battery on the one charger that I only have for it. It was just so annoying. So now that I'm getting rid of my XT30 and my XT3, I'm only on the new battery. So convenience was a huge part of it. I mean, really, the XS20 can just do so much that it made more sense for me to get that and replace two whole cameras for everything else I need. I can take it with me when I'm with the family, throw a pancake lens on it, and it's easy to use and easier to grip. I will say the XT30 was kind of annoying to grip, so that is probably the biggest change there. Also, with all of its video features and its better autofocus, it just makes so much sense. Like, I can't tell you, again, me running around with my XH2S with a whole small rig set up on it, trying to vlog with it, it just makes no sense. So the XS20, I'm actually super excited about. I'm super excited about shooting with it more often, and it's definitely going to be my backup video camera. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the XS20 and also what you would like to see about it. Again, I have a portrait shoot which you can check out up above about it, but I want to be able to share more information about the XS20 if it's something you're interested in. Because at its price point and what it can do, honestly, anyone either getting started in photography or trying to do content creation, the XS20 is hands down one of the best cameras you can get. Honestly, if I didn't shoot any other video, like outside of my own just YouTube stuff, I would only use the XS20 for YouTube. Like, it makes sense. So again, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you want to see, and I will catch you all next time.